Good morning, everyone. I have to fix few things before we start. Right. So as you can see, DAX is pumping. Everything is moving. And okay, I think we're good to go. Let me share this live stream with the people. Yeah. Okay. I mean, you still could go on a DAX longs, right? Just because of how strong the move is, right? In the C open, the opening minutes. But do I really wanna do that, right? I'd rather just wait for my setups to come and play and do whatever the setups says so to do. And I think I'm gonna decrease the risk on the footsie. And that would be a buy order right here on the UK 100 slash footsie. Oh, let's see. Let's wait for the close, actually. So yeah, you would call for a long right here. And DAX trying to make a move. Everything is moving, right? So let's just wait it out a little bit, right? There is nothing else to do, basically, right? We have to wait out for all the setups. I don't want to buy DAX here. There is no FTSE setup. So it is. That's why I'm half of the position size on a FTSE longs. Because they could rip it down, right? Any second. But let's just stick with what we have right now. Let's just see how it's gonna play out on that FTSE. If we get filled, right? We should be able to get filled. And we would probably use 20 point stop loss, and that would be pretty safe. In my eyes. But we need to get filled first. Well, that's the part of trading, right? You just have to wait it out. I'm not here to entertain you or something, right? I'm here to show you how it's done. And this is how I do it. Sit and wait. Sit and wait. And that will be first 15-minute candle close on our DAX. Right? FTSE didn't fill us. Moving away without us at this point. Well, there is nothing much to do, right? We just have to. I'm waiting for my buying zone on the FTSE. I'm waiting for the DAX setup. You know, it's just how it is. But I'm pretty sure in 15 minutes or so we're gonna already be in a trade on a DAX, like 20 minutes or so. Until then, we have to wait. Well, basically, nothing happened, as you can see. Basically, nothing happened. And I'm recording all of this, and it's just gonna take up space. And that's unfortunate, right? But that's just how it is. That's training for you, right? No positions open yet. We'll have a setup pretty soon. So, that's that. Okay, FTSE's about to trigger, right? So FTSE position is about to be triggered for longs over here. And we have a few more minutes until DAX setups comes to place, right? So let's focus now. Game face on, as I like to call it. And we should be good to go. Okay. Few seconds left until DAX setup comes into place. I'm decreasing the risk. This is the account that I can copy from, right? This is not my main account. It's just easier to trade smaller sums psychologically. And I just copy from this account to my main one. It just makes sense that way, right? It just makes sense that way. I have a buy order right here sitting on a DAX. That's unfortunate. Our FTSE did not get filled, right? Look at that bounce from that zone, right? That's unfortunate. We didn't get filled on a FTSE UK 100. Now DAX, Germany 40. In 10 seconds, we're in the clear. So I'm putting that buy order at 19,262. That's my buy order right there, and a sell order below here. And that's it. We're good to go. It looks a little bit ranging, right? So maybe doing the opposite could be an option, but right now I'm not gonna change that. I'm not gonna change that. We're in the longs, right? Yes, we are. Stop losses. 19. That's pretty small risk, right? Like, we can have it over here, right? Stop loss. But the chances of being stopped out are a lot higher. So let me just have it a little bit lower. Right. Right here, risk 30 points. That's good enough, right? So we are in the longs on a DAX. FTSE, yeah, that's so unfortunate. Look at that. Look at that. Came close. Alright, before filling us. And I still have that short order on the DAX, right? So keep that in mind. But I might delete it. And I'm not gonna flip the switch, although I could, right? But the market doesn't seem like it could stop right here and just consolidate, right? Because we had that first push up, right? They made their money kinda, right? They initiated all the positions, and now it could just stall here. Like, do bullshit, right? Consolidation, equilibrium, nothing at all. And we don't want that as breakout traders, right? We have to filter that out. And I think I'm gonna delete that short order on the DAX, right? So I just don't want to have those positions on because I think this one is not really working out. Just because I think we could be in the range, right? That's the only reason, to be honest. Just because I believe we could be in the range. And what I see happening, them stopping us out, going over here, wicking this low, and not getting that follow through to go lower, wicking it, coming back up. So that's why I deleted my short order over here, right? Because I don't want to get stuck in a price action which goes up and down as a breakout trader, as I said before. So let's wait it out. Let's see what's gonna happen. FTSE's coming to our order, right? Which I'm just gonna leave it. It has statistical edge behind it. I'm not gonna think about it too much. And that stop loss should be like 20 points, so around here. So I'm not gonna think about it too much. It could be just a bad position and that's it, right? But I have to take it, right? Because it has statistical edge, and more times I take it, the more professionally I take it, right? The greater statistical edge becomes, right? The more times I trade it, the better it is in the long run, right? And one day doesn't really matter, right? So like, based on a price action, that could be even a short on a FTSE right there. But as I said before, statistical edge, and once more a statistical edge, and I'm gonna do whatever the statistical edge says me to do, right? I've done my research, I have my strategies down to the T, and I know it's gonna perform in the long run. That's all I care. That's all I care about. What the DAX is doing? What the fuck is this? Price action. Like, look at the 1 minute, right? It's trying to like make an uptrend, right? But it's stuck in an opening range in a way, right? This was the open candle. You went and tested the highs of that candle, and now we're stuck in here, up and down, right? So can the DAX do it? Do they have enough strength to make that move to the upside, right? Let me come back to the 15-minute. Of course, our stop loss should be around here, but I decreased it because I think if they are coming back to this level, they're going even lower. So what's the point of me having a bigger stop loss? If they come back down to that level, they're gonna go down lower. So let me just stick with that stop loss, smaller stop loss, which is 30 points, and it's okay. It's in the range where I can trade it, right? When it's about 60 points, that's what I say, okay, do I want to trade half of the position size? We did trade half of the position size today with 30 point stop loss, but I'm always ready to add the positions. And I'm adding to the DAX right here. I've just added to my DAX position, having the same stop loss. I'm adding to my DAX position. So I saw 100. I'm trading 10 times more on my initial account, so I don't have to think about it. Although I would love to forget that everything is copied to my main account, right? And just feel free to trade however I like to. But no, you remember that. You have responsibilities, right? Your main account is on the line, right? So, so it's stress free to trade these sums, right? Like it's a joke. Okay, DAX is trying to make it, right? Last week's high is, but I don't think we're gonna see 19,550 today. I don't think we're going here today with that stop loss. I just want to see a burst, maybe up to 19,300, right? So 300 would be okay, somewhere around here. I would be happy with that move. I would probably take out half and leave the rest to run, right? But the DAX has to make the move first, right? And now I don't want to move my stop loss right at this low, right? Because they can easily close the candle, wick it, come back up. But they're struggling to go up, right? You see that? Do you see that? They're struggling to go up, right? On a 1 minute, it looks like a uptrend, but it's sketchy, right? It's so fucking sketchy. It's like not a nice move. Let's hope that stop loss is gonna be enough. That's all about it. Let's hope that stop loss is going to be enough. And let's wait it out. It did give us like 13 or 12 points in profit, right? Which is not enough. Which is not enough to move that stop loss to break even at all, right? We just have to stick with what we have right now. And right now is not looking that good. 5 minutes just keeps on wicking it, right? 5 minutes just keeps on wicking it. But still, anything can happen, right? Anything can happen at any given second. This game we call trading, right? So let's just wait it out. Wait it out. Either be wrong or be right. Simple as that. And don't take it personal. just got a funny text. So we are around break even of this position, right? We are around break even. Just fucking move, Dex. Just make that fucking move already. I might want to add the one more contract, but I need to see the move, right? So. Every single time they try to break out, they just come back. They just come back and come back and come back. And I'm back at it once again. Money, money. Like, what's the deal with the DAX today? That's something I expected, right? Like, for them to be this annoying, right? It is something I expected. I'm not gonna sit here for 2 hours or something. It's not making a move that I want them to make. Maybe I should just get out, right? Call it a day. They're not making that move. We've been here for a while now, like for, I don't know, for half an hour in this position, right? And we saw some profit, a little bit of profit, but most definitely not enough to call it a good day. We've basically been on break even for half an hour with this DAX price action. And it begs the question, do I want to stay, right? Do I want to stay in it, right? So we are at the highs, right? Taking out, it's not a bad option. But now it's too late. I missed my chance to take it out. Let me sit it through. Let me sit through this drawdown. Maybe we get stopped out, maybe we don't. We'll see. I'm sticking to my stop loss, not moving it. Just, we'll see. Yeah, it's going down there. The second I thought I should be taking it out because it's not moving. This footsie long is an option. I might still not delete that order on the footsie. I might stick with it. The DAX, sticking with that stop loss. Let's see if they can make that move. But they are struggling, like not moving. That's exactly what I thought was gonna happen after that big move, right, on the opening candle. Like I thought they're not gonna move. I thought they're gonna stay here. That's what they're doing, hunting the stop loss, getting the liquidity in, and so on and so on. But we'll see. Let's see. We're not stopped out yet. Ah shit, the DAX is about to stop us out. All the way down. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's the last chance for the DAX to bounce. What he's doing, jack shit. Look at that. Right? We need that DAX to bounce right here, but it's not. It's not gonna do it. Like it's not. And I think that's the loss, and that's it. I think I'm done. I'm done for this morning, actually. I do believe so. I'm not gonna. Now it's calling for a shot. Right at this level. I'm in shorts. I'm in DAX shorts. Two position, like normal position size. Stop loss should be around 19,254. We just flipped the switch because the move is fast and aggressive, right? At the start I thought I might not want to do that, but now I think it's not that bad of an idea, right? So if they can keep up with this, because it looks like I just shot at the bottom or the retrace of the bottom, like the bottom of the retrace, and that makes me feel pretty dumb. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Sometimes doing the opposite works like a charm. Look at that. Look at that. They just broke that low and it came back up instantly. I guess I just have to live with that loss, deleting the FTSE order. And that's it. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's really hard to be unprofitable when you have statistical edge behind you, right? It's hard to be unprofitable when you have that. So, well, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's not a good position yet. We can't move the stop loss to break even. We can't reduce the stop loss yet, right? We have to wait and see what's gonna happen. And can they do it? Yeah. At the start of the session, I said maybe I want to be a buyer here and doing the opposite. Now later on the session, I saw the aggressive move and I thought, okay, maybe they are going down, right? Like this aggressive move is okay. It's nice. I think they might be going down. And now, when I look back at it and remembering what I thought about it, It makes sense, right? Well, we still have 9 minutes until 15-minute candle close. Are they gonna wick it all the way up here? Doubt it. It's possible, but I doubt it. I doubt that they're gonna make this whole wick back up, right? Let's see. Well, I would like to make at least 100 on this position, on this account. So that would be around 1,000. We lost around 600. So making 1,000, that would put us in a profit, right? But that's just expecting unexpected, right? Like I'm expecting something that should not be expected, right? If that makes sense. Like I should just manage it as it is, right? And take it as it is, not hoping for something, not thinking that something is gonna happen, not the other thing. But they can make a move up down to this low. They can. They can easily make the move to this low, and that would be my target in a way. Yeah, but they're struggling. They really are struggling. Oh, well, I guess we're just gonna get stopped down, move on. Right, on to the next one. Wait for the US session because Europe is today. Like yesterday was okay. Yesterday was pretty nice, pretty decent. But today, the DAX is pretty nasty. Not gonna lie, it is pretty nasty. The behavior of the DAX. Look at that 1 minute. It is pretty nasty. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you know, but this could be a start of a downtrend, right? That's what we're hoping for. I'm gonna stick to my stop loss, not take it out. Just take it as it is, right? I made a decision. I went short. Let me stick to it until I get stopped out. That's it. That's what I want to see the price go. Can he do it? Of course. Are they gonna do it? I don't know. We're about to find out, right? So let's see. Now I could move my stop loss up here. I do believe so. But but let's wait it out a little bit longer. So DAX is finally dropping, right? And now I think I'm pretty safe having that stop loss over here. That's not entirely safe, but that's at least reducing the risk, right? So let me have it there. And as I said before, right, with statistical edges, it's really hard to be unprofitable, right? You just have to manage it like correctly, right? That's all about it. Like it's so hard to be unprofitable with statistical edge. Like, you just do whatever you have to do. You just manage it properly. You should trade in a carefree state of mind, right? And that's it, right? Like, I'm okay being stopped out, break even now. 30 points in profit, okay. I'm having my stop loss at break even. That's it. If I get stopped out, I'm calling it a day. And that's it. And I want to see them make a move. And I want to see them keep on making that move to the downside. That is a pretty aggressive move, right? And I'm keeping it. They are going to retrace. That's a fact. They are going to retrace. But let's hope that retrace is not going to stop us out. And that's about it. You know, we just wait and hold. Look for good zones to take it out. Like, we could take out half right now. Reduce the loss we had previously, right? But that's not exactly the way I trade. I would rather add to my position than to take half profits. Now they're trying to bounce, right? That's where they're trying to bounce. And yeah, that's a pretty good zone. That's yesterday's daily high they're bouncing from, actually. That's yesterday's daily high, right there. Are they gonna break it? Or are they bouncing from it? Like, I'm not too happy with that stop loss that I have right now, you know? It's not ideal, but that's break even. That's the break even point, right? So we are up around 800. That would put us in the profit on this session, right? But I'm still holding it. But I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about taking that profit. I'm thinking about that. I am thinking about that. I just think that the next 15-minute candle, when it opens, it can have a burst, like flush down to the downside, right? That's what I expect on the next 15-minute. I deleted my FTSE long order. I don't have that long order on the FTSE no more. I just think, yeah, that we can have another burst of liquidity to the downside on the next 15-minute candle. And oopsie, wrong chart. And I think this line is around where our target is, what I would like to see the price go, right? And that now they're bouncing, right? That would put me, if I took profit right now, it would put me at break even on today. But as I said before, that's not the way I trade. I might be looking for add-on on this position. Let's just look at the 15-minute. That's yesterday's daily high. That's a pretty important zone, right? And they're trying to make a bounce from it in a way. Like fake breakout in a way, you know? Work this low, take liquidity, now bouncing. And how high are they gonna bounce, right? That's the question I'm having. 5-minute, don't like it. Don't like the 5-minute. And it's about to close, right? So how high can they go with this bounce? That's the question I'm having. How high is this bounce gonna last? Like how long and how high are they going? Right. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, 15-minute candle, new burst, exactly as expected. Nice, lovely. Now we have to be careful. Now we should be looking to take something out. That's the burst I was expecting. I'm taking one position out. I took one position out. leaving the other to run. Leaving the rest to run. Maybe I should take out the other one too, actually. But let me. That's a tough choice right now. That's a pretty tough choice. I took out one. I got that burst I wanted. It was not as big as I expected, right? That move on a 15-minute was not as big as I expected, but they can keep on carrying on with that move. So let's hope they're gonna do that, because this is a really important zone, make or break, basically. Make or break, come on. That's make or break for the DAX. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna trail that stop loss to here and just basically lock in another 200 in a way. So I just trail that stop loss just to secure the profits, and that's it. If they're gonna run, happy days. If they're not, oh well. I should be still in profit with that being stopped out on today. They just have to keep on going lower, because that's the zone where they can really bounce, right? This is the zone where they can really initiate a solid bounce. Like, they have to keep on pushing it lower. They have to keep on pushing it lower with small retraces, because otherwise not that good. And now, come on, DAX. Come on. Come on. I'm ready to get out if they are not breaking it. If they're not breaking it, I'm ready to get out. They kind of rejected that yesterday's daily high, right? That's kind of done. They kind of broke it. So, come on. We're tapping into my zone, profit taking zone, right? What I would like to be out. Come on, just a little bit more. I'm ready to get out. So stand by to take profit. Stand by to take profit. Okay, I'm out. Took the profit here. I'm out of DAX. That's it for this session. Good session. Made money. Don't forget to join free Discord. I do this every single day. Most of the time, 2 times a day. Because that's what I do for a living, right? And I think in a month or so, I will introduce copy trading, basically, so people don't have to sit on their screens and copy everything themselves. They can just copy my account, right? That's what I do for myself, right? I trade with smaller sums and just copy it to my main account, right? To the big account. It just makes sense to me. It's so much easier to trade with smaller sums, right? So I just copy my positions to the big account, and I do it stress-free, right? Because I'm stressing when I see a $1,000 drawdown or a $2,000 drawdown. I'm stressing, right? But when I see a 200 or 100, right, in a loss, it's okay, right? And then you just trading a state where you don't really care, right? DAX is moving lower. I don't want to sit here and watch it go without me, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. Good session, good day. Didn't exactly wait it out to the T, right? I didn't exactly wait it out. That's a solid move, right? That was a solid move. Could have waited, could have added, could have done a lot of things, right? But in the end of the day, I made money. I'm happy. That's it. Peace out. Take care. That's me done. Okay? Look at that. Damn. Look at that. Wow. Fuck off, Dex. Fuck off. Fuck off. Alright, I'm done. I'm pissed. I'm closing the chats. Alright, I'm gonna go take a shower. Alright, guys. Peace out. Take care.